Well, welcome back to the farm. Down here just shooting several different 22 rifles. And next I'm going to shoot my Henry from 50 yards and see if we can hit any of the steel down here. So time will tell. Now here we are back at 50 yards. I'm going to shoot the Henry lever action down there. Probably put a couple shots on the big gong first to see where the bullets are actually hitting. Might be just a hair high. Yeah, I think we got to lower the scope down a little bit. We're liable to miss those smaller targets. Still high. Yeah, we're sneaking up on it. Yeah, I think it's pretty close. Yeah, not bad. I think I must have set a shot over top of that one. Let's do it again. Yeah, still a little high. Yeah, still shooting high. Well, we be out. Just happen to have this speed loader tube, which is really slick. think we're probably still shooting high. Ah, there we got it. I got a couple more rounds left. And that's all she wrote. Yeah, that was fun shooting the Henry. Along the way there I had to make a little bit of adjustment. It was shooting a little on the high side, so slowly I brought it down, and maybe when I was about done it was actually sighted in pretty good. But anyhow, that was fun. Nice to be out here shooting a .22 long rifle. Makes for a fun day and a not very expensive day. So thanks for being down here at the farm with me, and we'll probably put a video together.